Hi, I am Nidhi and I'm a girl who chose science stream with math, though interested in biology and hated being software engineer and using laptops. I had different plans, had a different perspective, wanted to do something else. But as said, life doesn't go like a straight line. It is always in a zigzag way and have twists. But who knows? Something was already determined though. After completing my 12th grade, I don't know how, but I was slowly started gaining interest in laptop and working on it. I learned digital marketing, editing, designing, blogging and coding as well. And I'm enjoying that. Back then, I hated. I seriously hated working on computers and laptop. So, what I noticed and experienced in 2025 is the more we try to escape the things, the more likely they do come back to us. Can we relate this to the Newton's third law of motion? That every action has an equal and opposite reaction? In my case, I didn't really imagine that I will be learning digital marketing or designing. Though I was somewhere prepared back of the mind that someday I'll have to code. But I never thought that I will be taking biomedical as a career. I was not forced, but yes, it was definitely my choice. The more I was avoiding those things, the more they were catching me. Actually, I was not clear about my career when I was 15 and 16, and maybe that's why this took a turn. Another point of view is it's also about your gut feeling, your intuitions. Sometimes you have to listen to your heart. It knows more than you that what is best for you. And the main thing, the mindset. If I kept hanging on with the mindset that I'll not code, I'll not learn digital marketing, I would never be able to learn new things and achieve them. I listened to my intuition and started working on them. Bye bye.